This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit the like button or comment, double check it's working properly, because they are working overtime to suppress the channel, because they don't want more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, AMC is moving up in the pre-market, okay? And the reason that they're allowing it to move up is because the earnings report was released prematurely, and AMC beat all of the analyst estimates, okay? The company's revenue increased 35.6% year over year to $1.39 billion, beating the analyst estimate of $1.34 billion. And earnings per share, the EPS, was at 0, surpassing the consensus estimate that it was going to be a negative 0.1, okay? And free cash flow, which I think is the most important thing, jumped territory to $88.9 million. It was a negative cash flow of $79.2 million a year ago. So AMC is making money, okay? But we all know AMC is making money. Everybody knows that the movie industry is making money hand over fist. The problem isn't AMC making money. The problem is Adam Aaron and some of the decisions that he makes, and also the fact that the naked shorters create billions of counterfeit AMC shares and sell them into the market to manipulate the price, and the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI stay silent to the obvious fraud and corruption. I mean, that's really the bottom line. And while we see AMC moving up right now, you guys know from the history dealing with these criminals that good earnings report means absolutely nothing to them. They'll let it run up a little bit, and then they will start back spoofing, washing, dog pool abuse, and everything in their arsenal to manipulate the price of AMC. And the SEC will be quiet. The DOJ will be quiet. The FBI will be quiet. And of course, FINRA and the DTCC, they know exactly what's going on because they see those trades in real time. Okay? The bottom line is this. If it wasn't for the fraud and manipulation, AMC would be trading over $30 in my opinion. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm telling you that these criminals are able to manipulate the price, and what they're doing is it's not no top secret thing they're doing. It is sitting right there in broad daylight what they're doing. You see it in the FTDs, you see it in the dog pool abuse, you see it in the spoofing and the washing. I mean, the evidence of the fraud and corruption is right there in the data you see every single day, but somehow the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI don't see anything that requires an investigation, okay? It's absolutely crazy. But I believe the liquidity is running out. I believe that these lawsuits that are pending are going to expose all the fraud and corruption. And at that point, the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI won't be able to sit on the sidelines no more and act like they don't know about all the fraud and corruption in the play. I mean, that's really the bottom line. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think AMC's great earnings report is going to keep the stock price going up, or will the bad actors start doubling, tripling down on their criminality to push the price back down? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.